about this restaurant is the atmosphere is very homey. Okay, the food is wonderful and the pricing is great. There's live entertainment here, and the wine is great. And then Fred, the waitress, where did she go? She's the best waitress here in Glendale. Anyway, so I'm so glad I found this place. It's a wonderful place to come. You have to come join us Friday and Saturday nights. There's live entertainment from 5:30 to 8:30. And like I said, the food is fantastic. Polo makes the best food. Actually, tonight I had Polo's pasta. It was to die for. Cheers. I'll see you at Polo Meals, 51st Avenue in Glendale, called Nostalgia, Canzone y Vino. Come on, join us.